So today I am actually filming on a new camera. I'm using the Osmo Pocket 3 for the first time. I absolutely love this camera. This is one of my favorites. And I also have the, what is this? The DJI something. I don't know the name. To lighten or kind of touch up the roots of my hair, I have been using the Sun In hair lightener for the longest time. So this is what my hair used to look like, and this is where it is now, and I absolutely love the color. The color is amazing, kind of like that strawberry blonde kind of hair color, and I absolutely love it. I don't really need to touch up the roots, but I am going to, so let's do it. Okay, so it is the next morning, and I was too tired to lighten my hair last night, so I am going to do it this morning. So let's get to it. So I think I am actually going to section the hair first. So I'm just going to, oh, I have the part in the middle. I'm just going to kind of make it more straight though. And then I'm going to just take some hair ties and just section the hair. Wait, I need another one. I need 4. So I'm just putting in the hair ties. So the hair is, so I think I'm going to start from the back to the front, lightening the hair. I'm going to start kind of like where the part is. That's where I'm going to spray the lightener in the roots. I have no idea. Okay, so I'm just going to start spraying. Okay, I'm going to go to the side and do the same thing. I'm going to go to this side. Really, I'm going to try not to get the lengths of the hair. Now I can get the front. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the hair ties, and I'm going to spray wherever I missed. Okay, to get the rest of the hair, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to section it like I would when I'm applying dry shampoo. So I'm just going to go like this, spray it, do that again, do another section, spray it, kind of like that. And then repeat on the other side. Before, I used to use the Sun In hair lightener. I used to not blow dry it. I used to just go out in the sun for a little bit and just let it do its thing in the sun. But this time I want to actually try to use a blow dryer on the hair with it. Like I said, I've never done this method before. I'm going to use the Shark Flex style to blow dry the hair. But first I'm just going to just lightly finger comb the hair. Okay, one thing that I have been doing for a little bit now, so I've been doing, right after I lighten my hair, I like to go in and do my morning hair care routine. So I first go in with the Pureology leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to spray it on the entire hair. And then I'm going to brush it through, just to keep it nice and moisturized right after I do lighten the hair, and just for every day as well, for an everyday hair care routine. Next, I'm going to take a hair oil. This is the only hair oil that I use on my hair. This is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. So I just do a couple of drops, maybe 3 or 4. I work it in between my hands, and then I start only on the ends, and then with what's ever left on my hands, I like to just kind of brush it through the hair, and then I do another brush through. All right, so that's how I like to lighten my hair. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you in the next one. Bye!